How to sideload applications on your Fire TV and your Fire TV stick. So, Amazon's Fire Stick TV, there are some several steps you can follow. Simply, the first step is you have to enable your developer setting. Go to my Fire TV and click on the About section. From this menu, you should click on the Fire TV Stick 4K and then click on the developer setting and then allow the setting of unknown application. Before we can do anything, you will need app to sideload, and we highly recommend using your phone to this part. Simply click on this application called receive file here on your Fire Stick. Then you simply have to click on the receive file option. Let me just show you the steps one by one that how you can do it. So this is send file to TV. There is SFTTV application. You have to use it. After installing the app on your Fire TV of STTV, you have to click on allow, then click on send or receive option on this menu homepage. Select the app you want to download it earlier and then click on the open button to simply sideload it.